Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best diesel fuel additives to keep your engine running clean and strong. A quality additive does more than just lubricate. It fights injector deposits, improves cetane, and can even boost fuel economy. Now here's why it matters. I've tested and reviewed a range of options, from winterized formulas to high-performance cetane boosters. And trust me, you'll want to see this. Some of these additives deliver serious cleaning power and noticeable performance gains for both daily drivers and heavy-duty trucks. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. How's Lubricator? The How's Lubricator is perfect for diesel engine owners who demand peak performance and extended equipment life in demanding conditions. Featuring a precision-engineered delivery system, this lubricator provides a consistent, metered flow of fuel conditioner directly into the fuel system, ensuring optimal combustion and reduced injector wear. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it withstands harsh operating environments while its simple design allows for effortless installation and maintenance. Equipped with a large-capacity reservoir, it offers long-lasting protection between refills, saving you time and hassle on the job. Whether powering heavy machinery or a personal pickup, the How's Lubricator delivers superior fuel efficiency, smoother operation, and critical protection against harmful deposits. How's is the perfect solution for drivers who demand peak fuel system performance and engine reliability in their vehicles. Featuring a powerful blend of detergents and lubricants, this additive effectively cleans injectors, carburetors, and intake valves while reducing friction for smoother operation. Made from premium petroleum-based compounds, it stabilizes fuel during storage and prevents gum and varnish buildup that can cause hard starts. Its advanced formula also protects against corrosion and removes moisture from the tank, ensuring consistent combustion and improved fuel economy. Whether you drive a car, truck, or classic vehicle, How's delivers superior protection for everyday commutes or long-term storage. Lightweight and easy to use, this essential additive keeps your engine running cleaner and longer, making it a must-have for any vehicle owner. HotShot's Secret LX4. The HotShot Secret LX4 is the perfect diesel fuel additive for truck owners and fleets seeking maximum performance and engine protection. Featuring an advanced lubricity formula, this additive drastically reduces friction and wear on critical fuel system components, extending the life of your injection pump and injectors. Made from a proprietary blend that cleans deposits and prevents corrosion, the LX4 restores lost horsepower and improves fuel economy with every tank. Its unique chemistry also stabilizes diesel fuel, preventing gelling in cold weather and ensuring reliable starts in harsh conditions. Whether you drive a heavy-duty pickup or operate a commercial fleet, the LX4 delivers superior lubrication, enhanced combustion, and long-term engine health. This essential treatment is the smart choice for anyone serious about maximizing diesel performance and minimizing costly repairs. Archoil AR6500. The Archoil AR6500 fuel additive is perfect for diesel and gasoline engine owners seeking to restore performance and extend the life of their vehicle. Featuring advanced nanotechnology, this formula cleans injectors, removes deposits, and reduces friction for smoother operation. Made from a proprietary blend of lubricity agents and detergents, it actively works to improve fuel economy and lower harmful emissions. Its unique composition treats the entire fuel system, from the tank to the combustion chamber, ensuring maximum efficiency with every tank. Whether you drive a modern turbo diesel truck or an older gasoline car, the AR6500 delivers noticeable gains in power and throttle response. Lightweight and easy to use, a single bottle treats up to 125 gallons of fuel. STA-BIL. STA-BIL is perfect for anyone who owns gasoline-powered equipment and needs reliable protection against fuel degradation during storage. Featuring a specialized formula that stabilizes fuel for up to 24 months, this additive prevents gum and varnish buildup that can clog carburetors and fuel systems. Made from concentrated ingredients, just one treatment protects the entire fuel tank, ensuring your engine starts quickly after months of inactivity. Its advanced chemistry also shields against corrosion and moisture damage, preserving fuel freshness and engine performance. Whether for lawn mowers, boats, motorcycles, or seasonal vehicles, STA-BIL delivers essential peace of mind. Lightweight and easy to pour, it is an indispensable solution for maintaining your equipment's reliability and longevity. Archoil AR6500. The Archoil AR6500 fuel additive is perfect for diesel and gasoline vehicle owners who want to restore engine performance and maximize fuel economy. Featuring a powerful detergent chemistry, this advanced formula actively cleans fuel injectors, combustion chambers, and intake valves by removing harmful carbon deposits. Made from a premium synthetic blend, it reduces friction and wear on critical engine components, which helps extend the life of your fuel system. Its unique lubrication properties also improve cold starts and smooth out rough idling, delivering noticeable drivability improvements. Whether you drive a modern turbocharged car or an older heavy-duty truck, the AR6500 provides superior protection and efficiency. Compact and easy to use with every fill-up, this additive is an essential maintenance tool for anyone serious about protecting their engine investment. Archoil AR6400-D. The Archoil AR6400-D diesel fuel additive is the perfect solution for diesel vehicle owners seeking to restore performance and protect their engine from the damaging effects of poor fuel quality. Featuring a unique blend of detergents and lubricity agents, this advanced formula actively cleans injectors and combustion chambers while providing superior lubrication to critical fuel system components. Made from high-quality synthetic compounds, it effectively reduces harmful deposits, improves fuel economy, and restores lost power and torque for a noticeably smoother drive. Equipped with corrosion inhibitors, it also safeguards against rust and wear, extending the life of your engine. Its concentrated design ensures maximum impact with every treatment, making it both powerful and cost-effective. Hotshot Secret. Hotshot Secret is perfect for drivers and mechanics who demand peak engine performance and maximum protection. Featuring a proprietary blend of advanced synthetic esters and friction modifiers, this oil treatment reduces heat and wear by up to 40% while restoring lost horsepower and torque. Made from premium, high-viscosity base oils, it creates a durable molecular bond to metal surfaces, ensuring continuous lubrication even under extreme pressure. Its superior formula cleans internal deposits and prevents sludge buildup, allowing engines to run smoother and more efficiently. Whether used in gasoline or diesel engines, Hotshot Secret extends oil life and improves fuel economy. Lightweight and easy to add during any oil change, this essential treatment is ideal for anyone seeking to prolong engine life and enhance overall vehicle reliability. Hotshot Secret 6-in-1. Hotshot Secret 6-in-1 is the perfect solution for any driver looking to maximize engine performance and longevity with a single, powerful additive. Featuring a unique blend that cleans injectors, reduces friction, and stabilizes fuel, this product tackles 6 critical engine issues in one easy pour. Made from premium synthetic esters and advanced detergents, it restores lost horsepower, improves fuel economy by up to 8%, and protects against ethanol damage. Equipped with a concentrated formula, it treats up to 30 gallons of fuel, making each bottle a cost-effective investment. Its sleek, easy-pour design ensures a mess-free application every time. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a heavy-duty truck, Hotshot Secret 6-in-1 delivers superior protection and performance that every vehicle deserves. Lucas Oil. Lucas Oil is the perfect solution for drivers and equipment owners seeking maximum engine protection and peak performance. Featuring a unique blend of high-quality base oils and advanced additives, this premium formula reduces friction and heat, extending the life of your engine. Made from superior components, it effectively cleans internal parts while preventing sludge and deposit buildup for smoother operation. Whether you are maintaining a daily driver, a heavy-duty truck, or high-performance machinery, Lucas Oil delivers exceptional lubrication under extreme conditions. Its robust formulation ensures stable viscosity and reliable protection from startup to full throttle. Ideal for both gasoline and diesel engines, this essential product provides the confidence of long-lasting durability and enhanced power, making it a trusted choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike.